The 3,180 mAh battery inside the Sony Xperia XZ2 will last you a whole day on a single charge with a moderate to high amount of use. Taking the handset off charge at around 7 a.m. each morning, we generally found that it had gone into stamina mode, which it does when the battery drops below 15%, by the time we got into bed at around 11 p.m. Our day usually consisted of a couple of hours of Prime Video, a couple more hours of Spotify streaming, an hour or so of gaming, a few snaps from the camera and a healthy dose of social media, emails and phone calls. One day we used the XZ2 as a sat-nav, and did a 2-hour round trip with the phone, with some gaming, messaging and social media activity in between. And it still managed to make it to bedtime. There was never enough left in the tank to give us a second day of usage, or even half a day, but we felt confident about taking this Xperia XZ2 out for the day, and even late into the night, in the knowledge that it wouldn't require a top-up. We ran our 90-minute HD video test on the XZ2, with screen brightness at max and accounts syncing over Wi-Fi in the background. The result wasn't great, with the phone losing 27% of its battery during the playback. That is significantly worse than the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S9, lost 17%, and iPhone X, 10%, but you shouldn't worry too much, as in normal day-to-day usage, with the screen set to auto brightness, we were getting a day of use from the phone. If you're going to really push this phone, with graphically intensive gameplay, a lot of 4K HDR video recording or HDR movie playback, then the battery will drain quicker, so make sure you keep a charger close by.